looking for a good life. We just wanna be alright. Try to force the hands of time.
Happy Mother's Day, and also a massive thank you to everyone who helped us on our mission weekend, our first local mission weekend of the year. It was an amazing turnout of so many of you joining to get the gospel out there and to show the love of God through acts of service. So if you were a part of that, give yourself a pat on the back, and we can't wait to do the next weekend together.
Be alright. Yeah. We gotta keep our faith. Be strong and be brave. It's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life. Can we make this?
Our Easter weekend is coming up, which means we're going to tell you about everything that's going on here at church. So on the Friday, there's going to be a Churches Together service in the Bilston Town Centre at lunchtime, which you can join for on Good Friday. And then in the evening, we'll have a communion service around 7 p.m. here at Exile Church, which you're more than welcome to join for. And then on Sunday, we'll have our 2 services as usual, but it will be our Resurrection Sunday services, thinking about how Jesus has risen from the grave. So we can't wait to see you for that Easter weekend to celebrate what God has done.
We gotta keep our faith. Be strong and be brave. It's a wonderful life. It's a wonderful life.
So this week is Connect Group, so make sure you connect with yours. And that's all for Church News, so have a great week, guys.